to another vlog. I'm here in the Lake District and I'm here with my rental camper van from Indie Campers. This is my first time driving a bigger car like this. Everything's new and yesterday actually everything went wrong. I was not able to film it. We're almost like on the dot when we get the camper van, when we arrived here, and there's loads of traffic. Then I'm still not used to the controls and the size of the car and the weight. Anyhow, I'll show you around our camper van. I find it very cute and amazing what's inside. This is the back side. It's manual as well. Manual in the campers. So this is what they call cockpit. So the chairs, it turns around. This is the table. So you can turn it around, dine here with friends. So this is a 4 people capacity. And this is my driver's seat. And this is our kitchen. We haven't used it yet because as I told you, we ran late last night and today we're running late as well. It's like storage, we have like cutleries, we have our fridge, but we haven't gone to the grocery yet. Here's the toilet. So actually, we're just using this for emergency if there's no toilet. This is our bedroom. So you can fit 2 people here, and that's the back side. You can open that up, more storage. There's like a window. There's another bed up here. You just need to push that up, then it will, be like this. I can't describe it in words. I'll just put a picture here. I think that's it for the tour. Now we're heading to go some shopping for food. Then we'll go see some falls maybe. Then we'll go to the next campsite. I'm sorry I can't show you much of this campsite that we're staying right now because we're running late. But yeah, there's lake. That's Miss Ching. Miss Ching, say hi. She was my co-pilot yesterday. We arrived safely because of her. We're not staying long here. We're gonna go in a few minutes, then see you in the grocery shop. Morning, Miss Jane.
Morning, man.
Professional, ano? Professional guide. This is the end of the first vlog. So it's just a quick van tour and a bit of Lake District and a lot of misadventures. So this is us before entering Scotland. Yeah, Lake District is so beautiful, and so far we've been blessed with like beautiful weather. Hopefully it continues up north. I think that's it for now. See you on the other side of this road. Scotland. Bye.